Hi, this is MikoCG, and in this part of the tutorial I will show you yet another way how to remove your default cube. Today, with the help of keyframes. What are the keyframes, you are asking? Well, that's easy. Keyframes are for animation. For example, if you want to move this object, this ugly default cube, somewhere, you can, for example, set your location A to keyframe 1 and set your location B to the keyframe 30, for example. And the animation will move slowly your object from location A to location B over the span of 30 frames. So, how can we use this? Very easily. As I said, we can change the location, and this can be helpful for us. So now, we can very easily set up the location keyframe for this cube. You just need to click here on this word keying, select the location and press this button to add a keyframe. Now your keyframe was inserted and this cube is locked in this location for this frame. For example, now when I move this, yes, and move my timeline, it's back because it's locked in this position on this frame. And now we can very easily use this for our advantage. For example, let's go to the keyframe 30 and move our cube this way. We can still see it, but we won't see it in a moment. Don't worry, it will be gone. So you can just add another keyframe by inserting keyframe right here, and now when you end the animation at keyframe 30 and play it, it will swiftly move to the position. Great, right? Well, not so much, because we can still see this cube, and that's bad. So we need to adjust this location a little bit more, like this. For example, that's way too much. Let's say, let's go with 1 kilometer. Let's go with 1. Great. Now we can set this cube into the keyframe of 30 and change its location with button I on your keyboard, or again here. Now when you play back your animation once again, it will move much faster, but it's still slow. Let's make it faster. Take this keyframe and move it on your timeline to the left. Maybe 20, let's try. That's better, but still too slow. Maybe keyframe 10? Well, that's really fast, but still not. Let's do it properly and move it to the keyframe 5 and change the ending to the 5. That's nice, really nice. This is great, this is right. And it's gone forever. Yay! This time when we begin our animation, you can see that we are actually starting at the keyframe 0 and the keyframe 1 is already at the location of 1001 meter. Thanks to this, you can start your animation at frame 1 and you will never see that cube. Now you can do whatever you want without worries about that cube, that it's all the way here. We can still see it. That's better. Good. Okay, that's it. Our default cube is gone. You can now work on whatever you want. See you later in the next time.